Tired, man. Tired. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Sometimes you just gotta learn how to just take it all in and reflect on your trading week. You know what I'm saying? Be able to just take it all in and reflect on your trading week. It's all about reflecting, making sure that not only you grow as a trader, that everybody around you grows as a trader. The main thing that, like, I tell new traders and beginning traders, and it's anything in general, is just that same hunger, that same drive that you have in the start of it, you got to keep it up. You have to keep it up. You got to continue fueling yourself. You know what I'm saying? In this trading game, there's going to be ups, there's going to be downs, there's going to be a whole lot of things, man. You just got to keep on driving yourself. You know what I'm saying? But most of all, self-reflect. Take some time to this, take it all in. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that you're following a trading plan, making sure that you stay goal-oriented. Like, a lot of things that these new traders have now, I wish I had back in my time. You know what I'm saying? A community. You know what I'm saying? Making use of that community. You know what I'm saying? Posting your analysis. Making sure you share your growth with others. Listen, there's plenty of money to be made in this trading game, but you got to make sure that you just stay on top of things. Not gonna lie, it's been a beautiful week. I've seen a lot of traders this week just have ups and downs in the markets. You know what I'm saying? It's all about making sure that you're consistent. That's my biggest thing. Making sure that you stay consistent. It's easy to stay consistent during these times. Set a goal. You know what I'm saying? Despite whatever it is that lot size I'm using, I'm setting that goal and I'm holding myself accountable for that goal. You know what I'm saying? I wake up every morning at 4 a.m., drilling the markets, making sure I find me a move. Whether it's a counter trend or whether it's with the trend. I got to make sure that counter trend trade give me my goal. I got to make sure that I float that trend, get my goal. You know what I'm saying? But despite that, you can really ride these markets both ways. The number one thing that a lot of traders do that I notice is y'all be trying to trade like 4, 5, 6 pairs. Like, y'all bugging out. I trade one pair faithfully. You know what I'm saying? I make all my growth, all my technicals, all that. I make that all off of one pair. I feel like trading one pair is very important, though. You know what I'm saying? You can have your side pair. Don't get me wrong. Like, BTC's been my side pair, but it's just like GJ's been my main pair. Main pair, main pair. I focus on it. You know what I'm saying? It's like, I feel like when you're trading too much pairs, it takes away your patience, it takes away your focus. That move that it could be forming, you're not patient enough to wait for it. So you go to another pair and try to go get it. You know what I'm saying? Then you come back like, damn, I missed the move. Yeah, you're not patient. Silly. You know what I'm saying? But the main thing is just making sure that you stay focused at all times, man. And making sure you stay goal oriented. You're not going to level up without having a goal. So if you're trading and you're trading without a purpose, feel sorry for you, B. Feel sorry for you. You know what I'm saying? Me, when I wake up in the morning, I aim for anywhere from 20 to 30 pips. If I see a potential setup and the market give me more than that and I take it, it's a blessing. But as long as I'm catching my 20, 30 pips, I'm better than I was yesterday. You know what I'm saying? The main thing that I want to make sure that I get back is you always want to make sure that you flow with the markets. You know what I'm saying? As long as you're flowing with the markets, you can wake up anytime throughout the day and find a move. Anytime. I feel like index is overhyped right now. Like, everybody's on that wave. Everybody's sucking index dick. No one's trading a forex pair and doing it. I'm good off that. I don't follow the wave. I create the wave. You know what I'm saying? Just because everybody else is trading gold and US, you think I'm gonna hop on that shit dick? You're crazy. I'm good with my pair that I've been buckling down with. Me and my pair's been making money. That pair still tests me. You know what I'm saying? Keeps me on my toes. Make sure I'm on point. Why not? I feel like that's what forex is all about. A lot of people pair hop too much. I don't got time for that. You know what I'm saying? lot of people pair up. Yo, if you're a BossinUp member, go ahead and drop that BS. I'm sorry, that BU up in the chat for me, man. BossinUp in the house. BossinUp is in the house. Don't play with the pack. Nobody don't play with the pack. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't play with the pack, man. When's the new car reveal? Soon. When's your new car reveal? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my BossinUp fam, man. I can't even lie. This is one family that like I build from the ground up, and when I can tell you like they keep me on my toes, when I can tell you that they keep me leveled, when I can tell you that literally our community, I feel like is the best. Like, you know what I'm saying? Our community is nothing but the best. We got Kimmy that teaches level 1, get back technicals. We got Deshay, the real king of indices. You know what I'm saying? Highlight Deshay about anything related with US 30 and gold. He gonna put you on your toes. We got Juan, you know what I'm saying? Newest member of the BossinUp family, but yo, listen, he'll get you right and he'll put you on your toes real quick. You know what I'm saying? Making sure everybody stay disciplined. You know what I'm saying? The BossinUp pack is crazy. It's real crazy. Yo, listen, we got some elite BossinUp members in there. When I tell you, like, yo, they be catching some moves. Like, I'm real proud of my pack. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm real proud of my pack. I've been working like on 4 things each and every day. That's growth for my pack, growth of myself, and just making sure I give back as much as possible. You know what I'm saying? I just don't feel like there's things that's done enough in this game. So if everybody's new to the trading game and new to the environment, let me tell you one thing that you want to keep. The mindset. The mindset, the mindset, the mindset. You got to understand, this ain't going to be an overnight game. You have to understand that you got to be able to put in the time and the focus. If you're not falling asleep with your computer in your lap at nighttime, you're not doing it right. If you're not on these, I'm not saying to be on the charts 24/7, but what I am saying is that if you're not putting energy into your craft, consistently feeding your craft, you're not going to level up. How do you expect to go anywhere? You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I put everything into my craft. And that's why I am where I am today. That's why any FIP member is where they are today. You know what I'm saying? You have to put time into your craft. It's important. It's crucial. You know what I'm saying? You're not going to level up unless you don't put that time into your craft. You have to. Another thing is you got to stay focused. You got to remember what you're doing it for at the end of the day. Some people doing it for the money. I'm doing it to change my lifestyle, to change my environment. You know what I'm saying? Ever since I changed my environment from where I was living at before, I have a whole different breed of peace of mind. Like, I get to come out here and chill out my balcony. You know what I'm saying? It's a whole different energy, a whole different mindset. You know what I'm saying? It's just important. So it's just like, I always tell people, whenever it comes to trading, you want to invest into yourself. You want to invest into yourself full forward. What I mean by that is, if you need to buy the whiteboard, if you need to buy a book to keep your trading plan, you know what I'm saying? If you need to, whatever you need to invest into your craft, make sure you do it. It's gonna pay off. I feel like the more you invest, the more prone you are to take it serious at that too. You know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of people are say like, yo, I lost XYZ, but what have you invested? Do you write down your trading plan? Do you know what your trading plan is mentally? Do you know what your goal is when you walk into these markets? Again, you got to keep in mind what you're trading for at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, set a goal. After you're done setting a goal, make sure you stay goal oriented each and every day to build that consistency. Because this money don't buy you freedom. The money goes and comes. Consistency in your craft buys you freedom. You understand what I'm telling you? You have to be able to be consistent. Throughout all of Brexit, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to hold you. I got stopped out too. It happens. But it's all about how you bounce back. It's all about how you learn from those opportunities. Because I don't call those losses. I call those learning opportunities. Any financial amount that I ever lost in markets was a learning opportunity. It's not a loss. Loss is like if I lose a homeboy or I lose a family member. There's no way I can come back from that. A learning opportunity? Shit, I get stopped out 7 pips? That's cool. I'll come back again and make my move, breathe, and hit TPs. That's what it's all about, adapting. You want to adapt to these markets, not react. A lot of traders in the beginning of your career, you're going to react to the markets. You're new to seeing this. You know what I'm saying? Your brain's thinking new to seeing this. You're going to react a lot in these markets. I'm here to tell you that you want to become an adapter. You want to understand why things happen. You want to be able to flow with the moves. You know what I'm saying? And you want to be able to, the biggest thing is you want to be able to make sense of the moves. If you can't make sense of the moves, then I don't think you should take it personally. But this is definitely a journey, not a marathon. You know what I'm saying? Definitely a journey, not a marathon. A lot of people think that just because they see what traders do, I call it pocket watching. They see what traders do, they want to go ahead and think they can do that. You're not on that level. There's levels to this shit. You know what I'm saying? There's definitely levels to this shit. One thing that I do that I get a lot of questions about is, yo, what's a good amount to start with? That shit is subjective. Any real trader can start with X Z amount and stay goal oriented and build it. Me personally, I could start with $100. The most impressive thing, me personally, I have ever done was build an account from $10 to 10K. Would I do that again? Hell fuck no. I'm gonna keep it honest with you. Hell no. I had no life when I did that. I feel like it's all about enjoying the fruits of labor. Now, can I do it again? Of course I can. I could do it with $100. I could do it whatever. Just think about, you always got to contemplate on the next level of things. You know what I'm saying? That was then. This is now. Notice that every member at FIP, we can make something out of nothing. That's the biggest thing. Look at Q. Q did 20K and turned that into 150K in a week. Look at Ryan. Ryan's able to turn a band into damn near 32K by the end of the week. Look at Emil. Emil just did a 50K profit. Look at me, changing everybody's environment around them by helping them stay goal-oriented and knowing how to flip small accounts. So it's not even a matter of fact of flipping small accounts. I like to say growing with your small accounts. You know what I'm saying? It's all about, once you grow with the process, your confidence grows on different levels. Once your confidence grows on different levels, you're able to adapt to the markets and see that it's really rinse, wash, and repeat in that cycle. You know what I'm saying? The best feeling when you get on a level is just knowing that, again, you can wake up to any of the market conditions and just be able to execute. It's a very good feeling. You know what I'm saying? It's a very good feeling. It's a very good feeling to have small risk and big kings. Let me give out some free game out there. If you're new to this trading game, one thing that you definitely, I don't care if you're new, if you're OG, you can always improve upon this as a trader. Your candlestick analysis. One candlestick analysis pattern that my Brody Deshay taught the group today was about the Black Crow, where you get three strong, heavy forward momentum candles back to back to back. Again, candlestick patterns are all just based on market structure. You flow with market structure, you're able to catch everything. Market structure is the bread and butter to how I trade. If you're not flowing with market structure and confluence, you're not doing it right. You understand? You're not doing it right. Confluence, let me explain what confluence is. I get a lot of questions on what's confluence. Confluence is getting multiple confirmations in an area that makes you want to execute the trade. For example, I use quarter points. For example, I use candlestick patterns. So if I don't get a bullish engulfing at a QP level, man, I tell y'all what, get the pack, join the group, or holla at Kimmy. Kimmy will paint you correctly when it comes to these technicals, man. Shit. Join the pack. This shit will definitely get you right on these indices, man. Join the pack. Wald will definitely get you right in your mindset. Shit. If you think you're not in it, I learn something from all of them each and every day, and that's what it's about. I'm not sitting here to tell you that I'm some head honcho that I know everything. I still don't know everything. I'm still learning at this point. Even though I'm learning, I'm making sure that I use my environment to my advantage. The environment that I created. You know what I'm saying? The environment that we are now growing as a family. But the main thing that I want you to know is just that. Back to confluence. if you're not getting a respect of a QP level or a Fibonacci level or a candlestick pattern letting you know that it's a buy signal or what else? A zone. I call them floors and roofs. On the higher time frame, y'all know them as supply and demand. Supply and demand are meant to be used on the higher time frame. It's a zone of price to where price is more prone to reject. It's an indecisive area where price is more prone to reject. Let me give y'all some free game. If y'all know how to draw y'all zones correctly, and y'all know how to enter right in these markets, you're also going to enter as close as possible to that zone in your direction of trend and set your stop loss under the zone. You're going to save yourself some favors. Now, during Brexit now, because I trade GJ, you know what I'm saying? Shit, you may get wicked out. You may get wicked out, and it's okay. I'm here to tell you that it's perfectly fine. If you get wicked out, learn from that opportunity. Adjust. Understand what happens. It's your goal when you take a learning opportunity in these markets to understand what the WTF is going on. If you got wicked out, you shouldn't be mad. You shouldn't be trying to cast out your emotions. Trading is really, it can make you emotional if you're not careful. You know what I'm saying? It can make you real emotional if you're not careful. You know what keeps me on my toes at this day and age? Me knowing that this game is rinse, wash, repeat. Me knowing that these technicals will set you free. Me knowing that the mindset of the possibility of what I can make out of each trade is what motivates me to take a trade. You know what I'm saying? I'm so built up. I'm so on that next level that I don't care if my whole signal room was telling me that trade's against me. I don't care if my whole signal room is telling me that trade's against me. My mindset is so strong and so impenetrable that the market has to teach me my learning opportunity, not people. And a lot of you people, y'all look up to people, and I'm not saying that it's wrong, but you got to believe in yourself before anybody else. You know what I'm saying? How you gonna want to follow somebody but you don't believe in yourself? You're putting faith into somebody else's dreams. Put faith into yourself. Believe in yourself. You know what I'm saying? That's the biggest thing, man. I really feel like that's the biggest thing. Let's see, I got this butterfly, man. Set yourself free. Fly. Yeah, I know I gotta be somebody funny real quick. But nah, back to it. Really back to it, man. It's a blessing. I like to come on here because my life is so accelerated. My life has just been going so fast in a direction that I gotta take some time to reflect. I pray to my God each and every day. Now I'm saying, thank you for just giving me the opportunity to wake up because I remember during times, I don't know if any of y'all can relate to this, but I know that during these times, 2 years ago, shit, I remember going home and didn't know if I was going to make it home. So to be able to change your environment with focus is very important. Let me tell you, focus is a deadly thing. I don't care if you're black, you're Spanish, you're Caucasian, you're Asian, whatever descent you are, this weapon called focus is very deadly. You see, when you focus, you can achieve anything. You can never be set back by no level. You see, when you have focus, can't nobody control you. That's when you're deadly. And when I say deadly, you're deadly as in you're on a different pinnacle. You know what I'm saying? Can't nobody stop you. I got here through focus. Everybody who I know, they got here through hard work and focus. So if you're looking to achieve that next level going that way, you have to focus. It's important. It's important. It's very important. You have to be able to focus. You have to be able to set times. Throughout this whole COVID, I see people going on yachts and shit every day. I'm not saying don't enjoy yourself, but you still got to make time on focus. Just like how we post us enjoying our lives, let's do more posting us being in focus with our craft. You know what I'm saying? I just look at it like social media is used to direct how it is that some people think. Me, it's a tool to me. I could care less about this shit, to be honest with you. As long as I have the connection that I need to have with people in my environment and in my real life, that's all that matters. But this social media platform, it should be used to help others focus, to let others know that you can do it too. And we about to take that on so much of a larger scale. On so much of a larger scale. You know what I'm saying? But if you're just joining this, I want to let you know the time is now to get focused and to stay goal oriented. Not only with Forex, there's a lot of people who I know that do music. They stay focused through this whole quarantine. You know what I'm saying? Locked in into the studio. There's people who I know who are architects. My homeboy's an architect. He just designed one of the craziest buildings in Chicago. I can't wait to see it come to life. You know what I'm saying? Shit. It doesn't matter what it is that you do. All I'm letting you know is that you need to stay focused. Discipline, dedication, hard work. That's what's gonna get you to the next level. You know what I'm saying? Then you can take some time to reflect and enjoy the fruits of your labor. You know what I'm saying? But it's really all about that hard work, man. I can't hold you. It's really all about that hard work. If you're not putting in the work to get where you need to go, it don't make sense to me. You know what I'm saying? Back to this Forex talk, because that's probably why y'all here. That's what y'all know me for. Outside of Forex, I'm a gym junkie. I like the gym. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Q. Q got me heavily into cars. When I first started this journey, I knew somewhat not about cars, but my car knowledge is so much in depth. Shout out to him and Ryan. You know what I'm saying? So it's just all about growing with your process and finding new hobbies. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like, again, I'm just out here reflecting. You know what I'm saying? You have to be able to reflect. This is my peace of mind. This is why I come out and I find my peace of mind. You see that water over there? I look at that every morning. Every single morning I'm outside looking at the water. You know why? It's a blessing to be able to see water from this level. How much people could say they could see water from the 30th or 40th or 50th or 60th or 80th floor? Seeing water at levels. You know how beautiful it is? You know how mind stimulating it is to just get up in the morning time and to see the suns hit off the waters? It's these things you want to work towards. Work to change your environment. Work hard. If you want, I could tell you to work towards a new car, but I know not everybody's into cars. I know everybody's into their investments and being able to do things long term. You know what I'm saying? So you just want to be able to do that. The biggest thing that I want to let y'all know is throughout none of this, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for God. I don't know what y'all religion is, and I can't tell you that I too much care for it, but I'm not here to disrespect it. But I'm going to let you know this. Without God, none of this would be possible. God, for me, made this possible. Let me take y'all back. None of y'all knew me, or none of y'all knew of me a year or two ago. You know what I'm saying? It was just me and God and my hard work and in my dedication and in my environment, working 90 hours a week. So I'm here to let you know that God is your real supporter no matter what. You're always going to have friends. You're always going to have family. But no matter what, God is always going to be your real supporter. No matter what you go through, it's always going to be you and God. You got to make sure you keep that line of communication there. I'm not even going to hold you. You have to. I went right down there the other night to go check my homeboys, and right after I left, I heard them airing it out. And I came out here and I'm seeing them air it out. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, shit, I could have been in that. You know what I'm saying? And you know what I did? I got no sleep that night. I had 1942 in my system. I got no sleep that night. I came straight after the club and came straight on the charts and stayed up all the way. I didn't go to sleep until the next day at 4 p.m. after I was done teaching. You know what I'm saying? God is great. God is great and the paper is straight. I promise you. I promise you. You know what I'm saying? Throughout God, none of this will be possible. I just want y'all to remember that. God is my biggest success. God believed in me before I even believed in myself. He gave me the vision to believe in myself. You know what I'm saying? He's the real MVP at the end of the day. And I feel like people don't give him enough appreciation. They take this life for granted. Take no one or nothing for granted in life. Because as quickly as it comes, it could be gone just in a snap. And you see, the craziest part is when that snap comes, that's what's gonna make or break you. You know what I'm saying? That's what's gonna keep you on your toes and make you go to the next level, or that's just gonna make you fold. You see, if you got God by your side, you will never fail. Shit, I lost 20,000 twice. Me and light skin when back a year or two ago, when I was back and forth from where I was living between light skin's crib, I lost $20,000 in his crib. During the end of the year when I'm supposed to be buying gifts and shit for people. You know what? I still didn't lose faith. I rebuckled up with whatever I had to do, whatever sacrifices I had to make, because I believed in my end result. I believed in myself. I believed in my vision for myself and where I need to be. And it's the same concept y'all all can do. Don't let no one or nobody tell you can't do this. A lot of people like to spread their negativity. You gotta spread your confidence right back at them and let them know you don't see that. You know what I'm saying? You don't see that at all. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie. The biggest thing is this though. The biggest thing is this. Your confidence with anything that you do in life is gonna come from the repetition of you doing it. So it's just like if you're looking to get your confidence up there, rinse, wash, repeat things. Keep on playing out the factors. You know what I'm saying? That's what I did. Listen, I was born here in Florida, but I was raised in Brooklyn, New York. Avenue D and Rogers. You know what I'm saying? Brooklyn. Brooklyn's real ugly right now. You know what I'm saying? Brooklyn's real ugly right now. I come from that. You know what I'm saying? There's little kids dying every day on my block. I'm sorry to say it, but that's what I'm working towards. Shit, I don't see nobody in the Forex game do that. That's what I'm working towards. I want to get back to my block, to be honest with you. That's what I'm working towards. But before I can get back to my block, I gotta help people help me. You know what I'm saying? I gotta help people get on their level so they can help me get to where I'm trying to go. You know what I'm saying? There's not enough giving back. In this Forex game, you honestly don't need nobody. It's you on the charts. But we just try to make it so much more than that. You know what I'm saying? So you don't let these learning opportunities that life give you knock you over. You keep it going no matter what. You don't let none of these opportunities that life throw at you pass you neither. You make sure. It's like a risk. You will never evolve in life unless you take a risk. Let me tell y'all what I did when I started bossing up. I got my FTMO money, and you know what I did? I shelled off some bread to my mom's, and I was in the process of getting my place. And you know what I did? I took a leap of faith. I was like, yo, out of this 26K, I think I had like 9 grand left. I literally bought everything I needed, and I literally rebuilt it up. Thank God at the time, you know what I'm saying, as doing that, I was able to flip my $1,000 account with the consistency that I was able to have. And then after that, I'm not going to lie, I can't say no names, but one of my homies saw what I was doing, you know what I'm saying, he a big DJ, he saw what I was doing and he wanted to take advantage. You know what I'm saying? Made damn near 80K in one fucking month. 80 fucking K in 1 month. You know what I'm saying? 80K. Off of a measly 50K investment. I made 80K profit. You know what I'm saying? During my FTMO, I killed it. But FTMO is different. FTMO teaches you to be a disciplined trader. FTMO made me into who I am. I'm not going to hold you. I'm not even going to hold you. It helped made me into who I am. Small risk and big gains. You can't go on FTMO over leveraging. You can't. You going to fuck their challenge up and fuck yourself up. You can't. You know what I'm saying? I already knew about risk management and everything like that, but FTMO helped me seal up my process even more. It made me want to show people that these small risk and big gains are possible. You know what I'm saying? Every day somebody in FIP is doing something legendary. You know what I'm saying? It's all about small risk and big gains, guys. Flow with your process, please. I see a lot of y'all trying. Don't get discouraged. You're almost there. Don't stop. You can't stop. You know what I'm saying? You cannot stop. You look that opportunity in the face and you let it know you're gonna overcome it. But you live to see another day. A lot of times people get mad when they get wicked out by a move. I'm happy. The market just gave me an opportunity for me to be 10 times better. I'm gonna take that. You think you're gonna catch me slipping again? You're crazy. Now when I face that same move again, when I see that same move again, I'm lit. You know what I'm saying? So my whole concept with this is just keep it going. I look at learning opportunities in the market as jabs. The market can never give me a blow and knock me down. Never. You're stupid. Never. Think I'm gonna let this market deplete my psychology? You're crazy. I know exactly what I know from hard work and dedication and seeing all the possibilities. So I'm here to let you know that it's possible. It's definitely possible. Don't let nothing knock you off your pivot. Not the markets, not your mother, not your father, not that. I see somebody say they just blown account this week. You're gonna be lit next month. You know what I'm saying? Learn from that blown account. Risk management is key to this trading. You ain't gonna get nowhere by risk if you're not risking properly. You ain't gonna get nowhere by not knowing candlesticks. You see, if you know how to read these candlesticks, let me give y'all a free game again. A bullish candle opens at the bottom and closes at the top, right? But the wicks show you a range of where it went. A bearish candle opens at the top and closes at the bottom, but again, the wicks show you a direction. I use them freaking candles to navigate through price. That's my GPS in the markets. What you mean? That's my GPS. That's my turn-by-turn direction. That's my OnStar. That's my Siri. That's my maps. You're crazy. These markets are giving you what you need. Take advantage and learn from it. I see a lot of people, they struggle on the lot size, and I'm talking about myself at this. I've been struggling with 10 lots, and I just made my breakthrough to 20 lots this week. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell you what I had to do, and Q taught me this. Let me tell you what I really had to do to get on that next level. I was trading 10 lots, and psychology-wise, 20 lots is just a higher number of risks, but I'm not used to seeing me go $2,000 in drawdown. I'm like, I'm holding on for dear life. Like, what's going on? You know what I did? I went back to demo, and I literally demoed for 3 hours when I was calling signals. 3 hours when I was calling signals straight. 20 lot, aggressive. Make sure I get that shit out. It's mental. And you see the second when I executed the trade, I did it the same way. I did it the same way like I did before. Nothing fucking different. I just cast a lot size, knew what I wanted to risk, and that was fucking it. Let me tell you what I got coming for the future. Me and the pack, you're going to have to get the pack to join the pack soon. Because I'm capping up my learning room because we're just too lit. I'm not even going to lie. We're just too lit. I love the family that we got, and I don't need no energies tainting it. You know what I'm saying? Daniel Savage, that's the bro. You know what I'm saying? Me, I'm a man. Let me tell you. Nah, it ain't fuck that bundle. I'm a man at the end of the day, right? As a man, we all make mistakes. But you know what makes a man? Being able to realize where it is that you are wrong and being able to grow from it. And that's what real men do. So I don't got no problems with Daniel Savage. That's my brother. I speak to Daniel every other day. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get into this YouTube game, and he's very good at it. So I'm still a student to the game. I'm finna make sure I learn. You shitting me? I'm gonna make sure I learn. Shout out to Raul, man. Raul's the one that put me on FTMO. I wouldn't be here if he didn't tell me that. I wouldn't be sitting up here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give credit to where it's due, baby. Not even gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? He's the one that put me on FTMO. At the time, he had like damn near 3 accounts. About to merge that shit. I was working on my first account. You know what I'm saying? Like, just take nothing that you are for life for granted, man. There's blessings all around you. It's just you as the person. It's all about how you take it, how you take it in. You know what I'm saying? But we ain't gonna stop. Me or the pack ain't gonna stop. Me or FIP ain't gonna stop. We're never gonna stop. I got something crazy coming for y'all. I just can't wait to show y'all. I just had to stay quiet. I had to make sure I was on point. And when I tell y'all it's coming, oh boy, it's coming. It's coming. Shitting me is coming. You know what I'm saying? I see everybody in here asking me where my car is. How about y'all drop what car y'all trying to get? How about y'all drop that MSRP so we can help y'all figure out what it is? I ain't getting no Lambo. I done test drove a Lambo like 2 days in a row. I can have fun with it, but not how I want to have fun with it. So I'm gonna help y'all check off y'all list right now. I'm not getting a Lambo. I was getting the SUV that nobody has. That's the Lamborghini Urus Killer, but I ain't even getting that no more. I'm gonna just be humble, and make sure I invest back into others, and make sure we flow my process. But I'm getting some lit shit. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. We getting some lit shit. I ain't gonna lie, the lit shit is here. The lit shit is here. You know what I'm saying? We just being quiet about it. That's all it is. There's no need to broadcast everything, man. Sometimes you just gotta enjoy the fruits of life, like how I'm doing now. There's a time and place for everything. You have to make sure that through that time and place for everything, that you enjoy. I ain't gonna lie, Deshae. No, it's not a Bugatti. when I was there looking at my car, Birdman, I came in and bought this Bugatti. Crazy. Crazy. You know what I'm saying? But if y'all want a Bugatti, I'm letting you know it's really there. If you could see it, you could get it. If you could see it, you could get it. I'm gonna save this, man. I'm gonna save this to my story. I got y'all. I'm here to let y'all know if you see something and it's right there, you could really go and get it. MLMs. I'm not even gonna lie. In this niche, I had so much people that are from the music industry. When they approach me, "Oh, you do that Forex thing, or I gotta join your academy?" Nah, nigga, what? Open up this book and read page 11 and know how to dissect these candlesticks. I can show you something on these charts. We teach. MLMs, I know this, they do this networking thing, and it's cool. You open doors to who you know, and I'm not saying it's a bad thing. You can't knock nobody hustle, and I'm not here for that. You know what I'm saying? I'm not here for that. You know what I meant, man. We're not here to knock nobody hustle, man. We all about spreading positivity. All that negativity that I see people doing, I don't jack that over here at all. I don't have time for that. My time is money. You see the rollie? You know what I'm saying? Brand new watch coming. I'm blessed to be able to say I bought a brand new stinking watch. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I can't do that apartment tour. Last time I did that, I had drillers coming up in my crib. I seen people that wasn't supposed to be in my area. I had to move. You know what I'm saying? So I don't really do that. But I ain't gonna lie. I'll show you this view though. I'll show you my big ass balcony. I'll show you that I have a private balcony right behind me just for myself and my significant other. And I'm just here to let y'all know that this could be y'all too, man. Y'all just don't give up. Please. Just don't give up. Time is pips and time is growth. Don't give up. Believe in yourself no matter what, man. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like 20 minutes late to my 5-day course. I just looked at the time, so I gotta get off of here, man. I gotta go give back some more. But listen, man, it was a pleasure. Juicy Banks, y'all gonna see me out here, man. Y'all make sure y'all say hi. Y'all don't be a stranger, man. But y'all don't be with that weird stuff, too. You know what I'm saying? I'm all about giving back, man. You know what I'm saying? FIP, baby. FIP for the rest of life. To infinity and beyond. You know what I'm saying? But y'all have a good one, man, and y'all stay blessed. Juicy Banks out.